What's going on, YouTube friends? Joshua here with saltyscales.com. So, if you saw my last How To Thursday, I was making some cool bottle cap lures with spinners. Now, I wanted to come out and test it. You guys wanted to see me catch some fish using the bottle cap lure. So that's what I'm out here doing. Now, I've never personally caught a bass with this particular lure. I did test it in saltwater last year, and I was extremely successful. So, I'm excited to see what transpires here. But before we get going, I want to say thank you to our top commenter last week, which is Mike. I appreciate you, Mike, noticing the time and the effort that I've been putting into the videos, and I really appreciate your comment. That's why I pinned it. If you want to be the next top commenter, comment below. Who knows, I may choose you. Let's jump in and see if I can get me a big old toad with my new custom lure.
I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Oh, I got me a bass, guys! Look at this! Oh no! He's got me wrapped up. Oh, there it goes. Oh, get out! My first fish. Oh, this is a second cast, guys. I've never caught a bass on this one. My last test last year, I tested it in salt water. That was just a baby. So what I found is if I pinch the bottle cap and I close it, I get a lot better action and a lot more buzz out of my blade, and it's been beneficial. Ooh. Oh, watch it! Holy cow! There he ended up, guys. A tilapia all the way out there. Yeah, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, look at that tilapia. Holy cow, that's a tank! Oh man, I forgot my pliers in the car. Boom, boom. There we go. Man, guys, he hit that thing all the way out there. I literally casted it as far as I could and I let it sink, and he was on it. Like white on rice. What I'm using today is the Stratic CI5. It's a 2500 CI4 Plus. And I got that equipped to the St. Croix Premier. Now this is a fast action rod, nice and light, 10-pound test Power Pro, which is gonna allow me to cast a mile. And of course I got my bottle top lure on here that you saw me make. And I'm excited. I've been out here 5 minutes and I've caught 2 different species of fish on my lure. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking me lately about my apparel, especially my new hoodies that are coming in. The projected scheduled arrival date is between October 15th and October 20th. So stay tuned. If you want to know more or be notified when they come in, you're welcome to go to saltyscales.com, scroll down to the very bottom and sign up to the newsletter. When you join that, you join our loyal list of customers. And you also get a lot of discounts, news about the business, news about where we might be traveling to, and things like that. And every one of you guys, I want to tell you, I really appreciate it. Every time you purchase from us, you're purchasing from a family-owned business, and we do take pride in our garments. It's not a hobby, it's a full-time business, and this is how I support my family. So thank you. Holy cow, look at all them tilapia chasing it. That's why they weren't getting it, because they're tilapia. These tilapia are very aggressive over here. Oh, way out there. Ooh, he might be the big fish of the day. So far. Never mind, he's just fighting harder. Oh, there he goes. That's all right. right. Catch and release. Woo! That's all right. Hey, if you all want to see a competition, a build-off on bottle top lures, maybe with another YouTuber, maybe JC, or even Chris or someone, let me know below. I thought about doing that, and I think it could be really fun. Get a little competition involved, creativity. See who wins. Maybe we'll make it a pepper challenge. I don't know, JC. I don't know, JC. Would you be up for that? That breeze feels. Ooh. Tilapia. My second tilapia on the bottle cap lure. Yeah. He don't know what he just ate. He knows it's not good for him now, though. What is my GoPro doing? It just shut off again. Whoops! He got away from me. That's okay. Hey, hey, hey! So this is what my lure looks like. Yee-hoo, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this toad. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed today's bottle cap lure video. It was a success, as you can see. Look at that toad. If you want to see more, or if you want me to do a collaboration, maybe with the bottle cap, let me know below. I could go saltwater, we could do a build off, do all kinds of different things. I think it's fun, it's creative, get you out there. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below, and until next time, I'll see you on the water.